What's up, everybody? Happy Tap Tick Tuesday to you. I love it. I come to a job site and my customer gives me two ideas what to do. First one came up. He goes, Ryan, I love your machine. I'm like, what's the issue? He goes, it's driving too slow. I'm like, driving too slow? How can a machine be driving too slow? It doesn't make any sense to me. So let's go over and look at the joystick and see what he's talking about. So check it out, everyone. These SkyTrack JLG units, and most Genies and other machines as well, it doesn't matter what brand it is, has a gear selector. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear. What happens is he had it on fourth gear. That's basically starting your car in a 6-speed in 6th gear. It's not gonna work. When you're working around the job site, typically for safety, you wanna do first gear or second gear. I hope this week's Tech Tip Tuesday will help you when you're selecting your gears. Keep it in first or second around the job site. No need for 3 or 4. That's if you're going down the road, or not down the road, it's really not road legal, but if you've got to go a long distance on a job site, that's when you put 3 and 4. Typically 99% of the time, first or second gear, really first gear when you're operating around personnel or on the job site. So I hope that is an amazing day. Let me know how it can be a help to you and your team. Give us a call. Also, make sure you do your pre-op inspection and your lift plan review before you get on the machine. Have an amazing rest of your day.